Hey y'all, it's Nova J Beauty back with another video. Today I'm showing y'all how to make a cucumber and green tea face mask that's going to clear your skin and have it glowing. So of course we'll be needing green tea, and I'm bougie, so I'm going to be using some matcha. Matcha is really great to use on your skin because it helps clear your complexion, it helps with fighting acne, and it's anti-aging. It's really good for you too, so that gives me more reason to drink more matcha lattes. Next is cucumber. Y'all ever see like on TV or a movie or something when someone's wearing like a face mask at a spa and they got the cucumbers on their eyes? Well, that's for a reason. And that's because cucumber helps with clearing your complexion, those dark marks around your eyes. It helps hydrate your skin immensely. It also fights acne and is good at tightening up large pores. And then I'm adding some jojoba oil. Jojoba boosts collagen production, which you know that is really great for your skin. It doesn't clog your pores, and it's going to provide that glow that gives us that dewy look. So next you're going to want to add some warm water slowly, and you want to make sure it's warm because that's going to help everything dissolve and there won't be no clumps. You want to add the water little by little so that it's not too runny, because then it's going to be hard to apply to your face. The type of consistency that you're looking for, something that's smooth and spreadable but not too runny. So I've struggled with dark marks and acne all of my life, and it wasn't until I got in the kitchen and started making masks like this that I saw real results. You can look and see it for yourself. Look at the change. Look how the dark marks have diminished and that glow. I'm so happy.